Hello, my name is Tracy Allen, and I want to welcome you to Cooking with Some Friends. Hello, welcome to Cooking with Some Friends. I am going to make some Mexican beef and rice for supper tonight, and in my skillet I have a tablespoon of olive oil that I've added some onion to, and you can add up to a whole onion chopped if you want to, but I just want to saute that until it's tender. At that point, I'm going to put in 1 pound of hamburger and brown that. So I browned my hamburger and cooked my onion. Now I'm going to scoot all of that to one side. I did drain off some of the fat from the hamburger. And I'm going to, on this side, add 1 cup of long grain rice, not instant rice, or not minute rice. And I'm going to let that cook a couple of minutes before I start adding my other ingredients. When that 2 minutes or so is up, I'm going to add 1 14.5 ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. I have a can of black beans that I drained and then rinsed, and I have 1.5 cups of corn from our freezer, but you can use frozen corn. And then I'm going to put some chopped chilies in, some seasoning of ground cumin, chili powder, and salt and pepper, and then 2 cups of chicken broth. Just to kind of toast that rice in that extra rendering from the meat. Just to get a start on the cooking process. We're going to have some cheesy breadsticks with this. One of my granddaughters was having a fundraiser, and so we helped her out by buying some of those. So we'll eat a few of those with our Mexican beef and rice. Such an easy one-pan meal. I'm going to have to dirty up a whole bunch of different pans. Different utensils. If you're like me, when I chop up onion, the onion I chopped, I go ahead and chop up the whole onion, and then I reserve back whatever I need to, put it in the refrigerator, and then I don't have to do it the next time. Okay, so I'm going to add my fire roasted tomatoes. Black beans. 1.5 cups of corn. That's the best way to get some corn in there. Those in. Okay, I want 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And 1 tablespoon of cumin. Ah, this is a new one, unless I have another one. Spice turntable. Oh, I do. I don't have to open the new one yet. chilies. I can add my 2 cups of broth. And I'm going to put the lid on this and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. So I want it to come up to a simmer first, put my lid on, and let that go for 20 minutes. Okay, we've had it simmering for 20 minutes. Give it a quick stir, and then I'm going to take a 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese, and you can use Monterey Jack cheese if you want to, and put that over the top. And then I'm just gonna turn the heat off and put the lid back on and let this set for a couple of minutes just to let that cheese melt, and then it'll be ready to eat. It's all ready to go. We're just gonna scoop it into our bowl and have it with our cheesy bread. Thanks for joining us for this session of Cooking with Some Friends. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And find us on Facebook at Cooking with Some Friends.